Trading is about way more than just making money. What mess up a lot of people, what a lot of people mess up at, they come in thinking, oh man, we finna make all this money, we finna do this, we finna run these millions up, we finna do all that. And then they get a slap in the face because they don't even realize that you gotta work on this. You gotta work on that. You gotta work on discipline. You gotta work on, you know what I'm saying? You gotta work on your flaws. You gotta work on everything that's been keeping you down. Like you really gotta address that. You know, and a lot of people don't be ready for that. They come in thinking, oh man, we finna make money, man. We finna start trading. I wish it was that easy. I really do. If it was just all about the money and you ain't had to do none of this, then yeah, that'll be gravy. But it's not. Man, you really gotta look in that mirror, man. You really gotta address yourself, and you gotta really look at them flaws and realize that, oh man, I am a little impatient. Oh, it is me. Maybe I am a little greedy. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of people don't be ready for that slap in the face, and then that's the point where they give up at. When they figure it out, oh, it ain't just about money. What it's about then? It's about your mental. It's about how you do things. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't be ready to address that, so they gonna throw their hands up and they quit. Like, nah, bro, I tried trading, but it wasn't for me. And you know, it's not for everybody. I tell everybody that. Hey, if it's not for you, it's not for you. But just know what come with it. Your phone is your first small business. Believe it or not, what you're holding right now, looking at this video, that's your first business. So instead of just doom scrolling and watching everybody else and laughing and hating on people, start figuring out what you can do with that you holding in your hand all day long. You can sell clothes off of it. You can trade off of it. You can make so many different plays off of it, but a lot of people choose to just hold it and just laugh all day and just, you know what I'm saying, joke. Like, no. Your phone is a business, bro. You're supposed to get paid from every app. Every app that you get on, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, you're supposed to be getting paid from those apps. You don't supposed to just be on there just scrolling and just having an old jolly time. No. Use it for what it's worth. If you're going to pay the bill on it, if you're going to hold it all day, do something on it, you know what I'm saying, that's going to be beneficial towards you. So, yeah, that's what I just can't let y'all know, man. Your phone is a business, and just figure out how you can use it like that. Figure out something to sell. Figure out something to do, you know, instead of just holding it all day, just doom scrolling. Figure it out. Trading will give you structure. And I mean real structure. And I didn't even know this in the beginning at all. Because when I came in, I'm just thinking like, oh, we finna make a lot of money. We finna do all this. No, man. I did not know that I would have to get this together too. I did not know I would have to be disciplined. You know what I'm saying? In order to get this together, there's certain things that you got to do. You got to meditate. You got to work out. You got to get up at a certain time. You know what I'm saying? You really got to train. You really got to structure yourself. You know, and that's one of the best things about the skill set. Like, you have to be structured in order to be successful at it. You can't just be a sloppy drunk all over the place or just getting high 24/7 just all over. No, you got to actually have some structure to be successful with this. You know, and that ain't saying that you can't tamper with you know, I ain't even gonna go into all that, but you have to have structure with whatever you do if you want to be successful in this field. So that's why I say, don't come in here thinking that it's just a money game. No, it's a lot that goes into this, but you're gonna have to start working out, running, reading, writing stuff down, things that you didn't even expect to have, you know what I'm saying? Things that you ain't been doing at all. So just know that trade will give you structure when you get into it. So it ain't about the money. If you want some structure, tap in.